Imagine sitting at your desk, focused on a project, moving through tasks with total efficiency. Then your cursor suddenly freezes. A strange pop-up flashes across the screen, followed by unknown files cluttering your desktop. These specific anomalies serve as the primary visible symptoms of malware, malicious software attempting to compromise your device and harvest information. While the software is the mechanical threat, your physical reaction in these first few seconds dictates the survival of the entire network. Most people experience a sharp spike of panic when a digital warning appears, often followed by an intense fear of facing professional consequences. This fear leads to flawed decisions, like trying to delete the files yourself or closing the laptop to hide the evidence. This is the infection window. On this timeline, malware requires time to execute and spread beyond that initial red dot. Manual intervention, like clicking pop-ups or cleaning the device, provides the exact triggers malware needs to expand across the network. Malware relies entirely on the delay caused by human shame and panic to achieve its goals. Stopping an infection starts with a single empowering shift, moving from hiding the issue to immediate intervention. Follow the physical protocol. Stop typing immediately. Keep your hands off the keys, avoid clicking anything on the screen, and step back from the device. Use a different device or a phone to immediately alert the IT help desk, your supervisor, or your assigned security contact. Freezing all interaction with the machine provides the most effective way to sever the malware's execution chain. Once you report the incident, the IT department initiates a primary defense strategy called network isolation. This map shows precise coordinates. Identifying the compromised device, the pulsing red node, tells technicians where to act. Isolation cuts off travel pathways. A barrier prevents migration into shared databases. This localizes damage, ensuring the rest of the organization remains operational. Fast reporting serves as the precise trigger required to activate the organization's broader digital shields. Effective cybersecurity operates as a collective responsibility, extending far beyond the IT department. Automated security tools can miss certain threats. Human awareness serves as the final, critical fail-safe for the entire system. When one person chooses to speak up without fear, they act as an early warning system that protects every colleague and every piece of data in the building. By recognizing a threat and alerting the team, you act as a proactive defender of the network. Resilient organizations depend entirely on a culture of transparent, rapid communication regarding any digital anomaly. Stick to the operational rule. When you see something suspicious, never panic, never try to fix it alone, and never hide it. When in doubt, report it. Fast reporting is the single best way to protect everyone. Experts Academy. Building a cyber-aware organization. Learn, detect, report, protect.